Don't smack it so my camera doesn't go flying.
That's what I was gonna do. You better hold it, because he's power bringing it over here.
Is he?
Yeah. That's why I started doing it. No, we're going to sport.
You got it.
B is fucking.
You got it. Let's go.
It goes to 2000 and just dies.
He blinked. Oh, we got him. There he goes. All right. Hey, what is up? We are on our way to the Orange County Convention Center, going to a car show. Gonna get some videos of all the cars there, walk around, find some cool shit that's different than what I normally see, because all the car meets that I go to are literally the same cars every time. So it's nice to be down in Florida doing something different, because we don't ever get different content. The road. Shit. Yo. Wow, those are some aggressive speed bumps.
They are.
Not gonna lie.
They were speed bumps. I thought they were part of the road, just painted red.
Damn, that was horrible.
Red?
Is this another one? Smack. Oh shit. But I picked up a new gimbal when I got down here because mine burnt out, and the one I was supposed to get from my friend, just he couldn't find it, so had to grab a new one when I got down here. Shout out to that guy on Facebook that I found as soon as I got down here.
Oh yeah, it's a car show.
He clutched up. We out here breaking necks in the Corolla. What's up? We're gonna end up walking around this whole place. I'm getting my steps in today. Here. Immediately starting off with a GTR.
Wow, this thing is clean. Holy shit.
Supra friends, let's go. Oh, taking a picture. I'll let you get your picture first. Oh, yo, you see that? Love my Supra people. Wow, this one's sick. Dude, I love these things. These things are so cool. Someone has one by us.
Oh, it's a Subaru. Okay, so it's not a Honda.
Yo, the NSX. I like the wing on it, dude. Oh, it's APR. He's been trying to reach. Yo, they got a little RC drift track.
I'll buy one right now. Don't tempt me.
Yeah?
Do it.
Dude, they're money, those things. Some of those things are crazy money.
Yeah, like $300 just to start you off.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Yo! Look at this thing! Why am I getting so hyped about Miatas? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Yo, my man's got TVs in the door. We got TVs on the screen. We got TVs everywhere. We got more TVs. Hey yo, pimp my ride. Let me get some TVs. This thing is huge. Holy shit. Man needs a ladder to get in that bitch. Yes, my favorite GTR ever. The body on these are so much nicer than the rest of them. There's another one. This one has a Street Hunter wing on it. What is this one? Oh, this one's got the Alcantara too. Look at the setup on this thing. That I see over there. Hold on. Going. will have one. I will definitely have one of these one day. I'm just setting up the gimbal right now. I'm gonna get some cinematic shots and throw them at the end of the video. And then I'll also be posting a video of the whole show, just the cars, if you want to watch that.
That's true.
Alright, we're leaving the event right now. It was pretty cool. It got a little loud in there with the music, so I wasn't able to do much talking. I ended up taking a bunch of B-roll for a video for the event, which I will post after this. It was a little bit smaller of an event, so there wasn't too many cars to shoot, but there was enough. The lighting was really dark, so it was definitely harder to get some clips. On the bright side, I got a free NOS. So now we're just gonna go back to the hotel, get ourselves ready for tomorrow. I'm doing some media at the LZ Invitational, so stay tuned for that vlog. I should have that one posted on Monday. We'll also have another video posted for just the event, not a vlog. So if you're interested in watching any videos from the LZ Invitational, or you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.